Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it.
So hey guys, welcome to my new channel Technical Hameem. I'm here to show you the new budget PC at 50,000 Taka. Okay, so welcome to my channel Technical Hameem. My name is Hameem. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please click the subscribe button and click the bell button for the new update. So let's get started. So first of all, we are choosing a processor, and our processor will be Intel 7th generation PENTIUM processor G4560, and this processor type is Intel PENTIUM processor G4560 and Smart Cache Memory 3.50 GHz, and the processor speed is 3.50 GHz, cores are 2 and threads are 4, and the processor test is 3 MB Smart Cache, and the price is only 4,800. Intel has ever discovered a new processor Pentium G560, which is for gaming and low budget processor. And next we are choosing the motherboard. We are choosing Gigabyte H110 and DS2B motherboard, which is a gaming motherboard and it is ultra durable motherboard. And it supports 7 and 6 generation Intel Core processors, dual channel DDR4 to DI MMS, and 8 channel HD audio with high quality audio capacitor, audio noise guard with LED chains, lighting, DVI-D, and these supports of for multiple display and etc. And the price is only 5,200. Next we are choosing the RAM. We choose GEIL Evo Pair AMD Edition 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz single channel RAM. Its capacity is 8GB and memory is DDR4, speed is 2400 MHz, and the price is only 7,500. And we choosing the hard disk. The Western is recommended, but according to our budget, we can only buy this one. TOSHIBA 1TB SATA desktop hard disk. Buffer size is 32 MB, and the whole capacity is 1000 GB. It's internal, and CLH is 3.0, and the RPM is 7200 with 2 years warranty. Price is 3,000 Taka. And next we choose the graphics card. Without a graphics card, a gamer is incomplete. So we choose Gigabyte GTX 1050 Ti Win4 03 4GB DDR5 graphics card. Here we have 4GB of memory size, engine with GTX 1050 Ti, and memory type is GDDR5 with 2 years warranty. Its price is 16,500 Taka. And next we have the power supply. We choose NTEC VP500 PC EC 500 watt power supply with 82% efficiency. It gives 500 watt continuous power up to 82% efficiency, and it is noise proof, and the price is 2,800 Taka. And choosing our casing, we choose Bitfinex Comet Window Black Case, which is the gaming casing. Its budget is 3,000 Taka only, and we have many colors for this. I choose black one for the standard. It's ATX casing with PCI slot 7, USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 HD audio, and etc. And choosing the monitor, we choose Philips 21.5 inch LED 226V backlit monitor. It's 21.5 inch, and the response time is 6 ms. Resolution is 192 into 1080 at the rate of 60 Hz, and it has 3 years warranty. The price is only 8,000 Taka. After completing all of those, the total price is 50,800 Taka. which we can play almost all the games with almost medium and high settings. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe my channel and go on. Thanks a lot.